In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Explorer in Visual Studio Code. This is a very simple task, but it's surprisingly important, especially if you're working with files that change outside of VS Code, or you've just added, deleted, or renamed something in your project folder and don't see it showing up yet. First, make sure you have Visual Studio Code open on your computer. If it's not already running, go ahead and launch the VS Code application the way you normally do, whether that's from your desktop, your taskbar, your dock, or your applications menu. Once it opens, you should see your usual layout, with the main editor area in the center and a sidebar on the left. On the left-hand side, look for the Explorer view. This is typically the very first icon on the activity bar, and it looks like a set of files. Click that icon if the Explorer panel is not already visible. Inside the Explorer pane, you'll see the name of your currently open folder or workspace at the top, and underneath that, the list of files and subfolders that belong to your project. To refresh the Explorer, all you need to do is find the small refresh icon that appears next to the folder or workspace name at the top of the Explorer panel. It usually looks like a circular arrow. Move your mouse over that area and you should see it clearly. Then simply click on that refresh icon. When you click it, Visual Studio Code will rescan the folder on your file system and update the Explorer view. Any new files or folders that were added will appear, and anything that was removed will disappear. This is especially helpful if you're using external tools, scripts, or other editors that create or modify files, and you want VS Code to catch up immediately without closing and reopening the folder. If you don't see the changes right away, give it a brief second, as the refresh can take a moment on very large projects. Also, make sure you're looking at the correct folder in the Explorer. The refresh button only updates the currently opened folder or workspace. That's all there is to it. By opening Visual Studio Code, going to the Explorer pane, and clicking the refresh icon beside your folder name, you can quickly make sure your file list is always up to date.